Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage the auto brake feature on your Tesla. We'll cover how to temporarily turn off the automatic emergency braking system for your current drive. You'll also learn about its default behavior and how to adjust related collision warning settings. This guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you confidently navigate these important safety features in your vehicle. Automatic emergency braking, or EEB, is a core safety system in your Tesla. Its primary function is to automatically apply the brakes if a frontal collision is deemed imminent, helping to reduce the severity of an impact. This system operates when your vehicle is traveling between approximately 3 miles per hour and 124 miles per hour, providing an extra layer of protection during your drives. To temporarily disable automatic emergency braking for your current drive, first ensure your Tesla is shifted into park. Next, tap on controls on your vehicle's large touchscreen display. From there, select Autopilot, and then you will find the automatic emergency braking option. Simply toggle this setting to turn it off for the duration of your current journey. It's crucial to remember that disabling automatic emergency braking is only temporary. The system will automatically re-enable itself every time you start a new drive. Tesla strongly recommends keeping this vital safety feature active to help prevent or mitigate collisions. Always maintain full attention on the road and drive safely, as these systems are aids, not replacements for attentive driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.